Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can mute your mic on Omegle. So follow the steps which I'm going to show you guys in order to do that. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit that subscribe. Let's move on. So first thing is you want to come to omegle.com, which is the official website of Omegle. Now once you're on this page, let's say I want to video chat with someone random. What I can do is click on video and I agree to its terms and service. Then it's going to match me with someone random. But let's say I want my mic to be muted. In that case, at the top you can see this little button over here, this little lock icon. Click on it and it's going to show you all these options. From all these options you can see the microphone option. Just click on it and it's done. Now your microphone has been muted. Now you can close this and reload the page. Once you reload it, your microphone will be muted. So yeah, that's how you guys can mute your microphone on Omegle. So if you want to unmute it again, just click on this little lock icon and turn on microphone just like this, and you can close this box and reload this page again. Then your mic will be unmuted again. So that's how you guys can mute and unmute your mic on Omegle. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step for future videos just like this. And I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Until then, have a nice day.